Only the most genius Sigma males have these signs. Sigma male personalities are known to exist in introverted alpha males. They go by the name of lone wolves. Male Sigmas are powerful, attractive, influential, and prefer solitude. They dislike going along with the crowd and prefer to think independently. They challenge accepted thinking and adopt unconventional thinking, which makes them innovators. Despite having strong leadership potential, they would rather blend in and let others take the lead. Sigma males make their own decisions rather than taking directions. They act in their own best interests. Living in such a way offers freedom from commitments to others or external circumstances. The Sigma man is a little bit of a wanderer. He can appreciate the warm feeling of home and the hearth, but he also likes to go on adventures. He is brave and takes risks calmly, and his thirst for knowledge keeps him on the lookout for fresh information to consume. Sigmas are typically the most cautious and puzzling. In contrast to alpha males, who are frequently viewed as the loudest and most aggressive, Sigma males also have a tendency to be private and keep their thoughts to themselves. But how can you tell if you are a real genius Sigma male? Here are the 7 indicators that you might be one. Number 1. You strongly dislike routine and look for a change. Do you intensely dislike the thought of following a strict schedule? You struggle to stay on task and sense that you're constantly seeking out new experiences. Sigma males detest being bound to a single object. They are constantly attempting to escape from any kind of framework that has been set up. They are continually looking out for new experiences and knowledge. They do not want to get comfortable or bored in one place for too long. Men in the Sigma fraternity make an effort to find challenges that will take them outside of their comfort zones. They find it too boring to keep doing the same thing over and over again. This does not indicate that they dislike structure. Rather, they simply prefer to set their own rules and deviate from the norm. This is why those who are ill are frequently viewed as rebels. Number 2. Everlasting curiosity. Have you ever questioned your extreme curiosity and wondered why? It seems as though there is a blank space inside of you that must be filled before you can rest. While those around you are content with the limited information provided, you are not. Sigma males are experimental and never agree with what they are told. They are interested in learning why things operate the way they do, and they won't stop searching until they do. They spend a great deal of time attempting to understand various concepts, which accounts for their extensive knowledge base. When someone is interested in something, they will go to great lengths to learn how it works, even if it means working on that thing for days or weeks. The majority of people never even try to figure out why certain things occur. For instance, no one questions how the social dominance hierarchy developed, or why specific events take place the way they do. But Sigma men are aware of these things. Number 3. Often lost in thought. A male Sigma's mind is his greatest asset. Sigma men live in a completely unique world that they have created. Since they are constantly thinking, they are able to perceive things much better than anyone else in the room. A Sigma is always silent and pays more attention than anyone else, as you will notice if you spend enough time around one. Because they are too shy or afraid to speak, Sigma men do not suffer in silence. They are quiet because they are observing everything going on around them. The Sigma male will likely provide the most thorough response if you ask what is happening in a room. Sigma males have the capacity for sustained thought, which gives them an advantage over others. They have improved the way their minds work, making them smarter as well. Number 4. Slightly strange. This is a characteristic of brilliant Sigma males. They don't conform to most common assumptions and don't care much what people think of them. Because they don't fit society's expectations and hold their own beliefs, Sigma men are frequently viewed as unusual. They follow their own path, putting nothing or anyone in their way of achieving their objectives. They will never consent to something simply because it is common or accepted. Sigma men are creative problem solvers who constantly seek out novel and original approaches to problems. They don't hesitate to try new things and take chances that most people wouldn't even think about. As a result of their behavior being so dissimilar from the norm, these individuals are frequently regarded as weird or strange. Number 5. Getting lost in a task is possible. Sigma males are renowned for their ability to concentrate intensely on a single task. When they come across something that tickles their interest, they become utterly absorbed in it and put forth great effort to see it through. When they are working on something they are enthusiastic about, they frequently skip sleep or breaks to finish it. They have an incredible attention span. Since they can focus on tasks and have the discipline to finish them, Sigma males are frequently viewed as workaholics. This ability to concentrate on a task or goal is a key element in their success. They can exert more effort than most people and still produce amazing results. In other words, men in the Sigma fraternity have a greater ability than others to make their dreams come true. Alpha males are extreme in their task-handling style, but they are not as willing to push the envelope as a Sigma would. Number 6. Uphold an optimistic mindset. Sigma males are always responsive to differing perspectives. They are not afraid to explore various cultures, ideologies, or thought processes. They frequently have an unusual perspective on life and aren't afraid to talk about any subject, no matter how controversial. This enables them to understand things in a way that most other people do not. They are open to the possibility of considering concepts that differ from their own. A true Sigma male understands that everyone has the freedom to form their own opinions, and that just because he holds his own beliefs doesn't necessarily imply that the opinions of others are incorrect. Unlike some men, Sigma males are not so self-centered that they wouldn't allow others to share their ideas. Number 7. Used to solitude and silence. Have you ever noticed that you don't have to be in the middle of the action to feel at ease? If so, you are acting in a typical Sigma manner. Sigma males do not require company to be entertained and are perfectly happy to spend time alone. They are aware of the power of silence and the significance of reflection. Being by themselves gives them the time to consider their lives in general and make the necessary adjustments. A genius must also be at ease in their own company. As they do not require constant attention or approval from others, they do not mind if other people leave them alone. During this time, they are free to let their imaginations run wild and generate fresh ideas. Sigma males are capable of existing in their own space and enjoying themselves, which is why they are sometimes referred to as lone wolves. If left alone for even a brief period of time, many people would become bored. If you spend enough time with a Sigma male, you'll eventually learn about his distinctive features. He prefers things done his way and doesn't want anyone interfering. He really doesn't care how other people approach the situation. That is a result of Sigma males' innovative thinking. They are able to think creatively. Interestingly, this is also how they are able to recognize patterns and draw conclusions that others miss. They don't feel compelled to stick with the group. They follow their own set of rules, think differently, and base their decisions on their own set of moral principles. They can be unpredictable at times, and they have their own perspective on the world. If you have these qualities, you are one of the very few people who can change the world. Therefore, don't be afraid to embrace your genius and make the most of it. See you guys in the next one.